just write to me because I can't see the cards. I'm using
you will hear some sound like Allah.
You will hear a sound.
Okay. Thank you very much, everybody, all the ladies. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. And Girish, thank you very much for great and amazing introduction. I am very much grateful to be in Toastmasters because I learned a lot from the Toastmasters. And in PDO, I am still a member because once you're a Toastmaster, you can always be a Toastmasters. I am a retiree from PDO, but at the same time, I can't stop working. So what I'm doing is I am trying to get the graduates, younger graduates, and try to educate them and try to train them in engineering and then get them jobs. So far, we have done about 100 and we're still carrying on. And I am very grateful for that because this is a payback, which I'm trying to do in Oman. And thank you very much. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you very much, Shekha, for joining on this and sharing your view on this great occasion. So now, Pratibha, can we go to the next person whom we are going to celebrate? Isra Al-Ajmi, are you there, Isra? Let me just see whether Isra is there. Isra is not here. So what we are going to do is we are going to bring in Isra Almani. Isra Almani, where I can spotlight you. Isra Almani is here. Isra Almani is on spotlight. Yes, Pratibha, can you please share Isra Almani? Isra Almani is a promise for our future in Toastmasters. I know her for about 5-6 years now. She was the contest chair for one of the division contests I had conducted. She's an information systems graduate from Higher College of Technology. She's a systems engineer in PDO. She is a member of the New Track Toastmasters since 2015, and she's also the past president of the club. She says she's seeing herself contributing to Oman in a technological aspect, considering her background in technology and by spreading what she loves and in doing that. Isra, on behalf of all of the Toastmasters community and NTAK Toastmasters, please accept this bouquet of flowers virtually. We could not give it in person. So here is a bouquet of flowers for you. And we would like to hear from you for 30 seconds how you see yourself contributing to Toastmasters in the coming years. Time for you.
First of all, good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank you all for this amazing opportunity and for inviting me today to this session. I'd like to say Happy Women's Day to everyone in the session, to all the ladies here, not just the Omanis, because even the expats here in Oman, we are still somehow Omani women. You are contributing to our country. You are helping us develop. So I'd like to thank all of you here, and together we will be building Oman. Back to you.
Thank you very much for Isra for those little sweet words. Let me remove the spotlight from you. Let me see everyone. And now, can we go to the next lady, Omani lady Toastmaster, who has done immense amount of inspiration to many others. Can I have here our spotlight for everyone? That is one of the girls who is on the picture. There are two. The one, yes, that is Shahad Al-Wahabi for you. Shahad is a member of NTIK Toastmasters for about 8 years now. Shahad,
I think 9 DTM.
9 years, yes. And she is a fuels and payments manager in Shell Oman with 11 years of experience, and she has got an MBA in business. She's also coveted NTI BizPro Award winner, and she says she's one of the founders of a network for women in Shell and wants to be a writer that showcases female characters. When I asked Shahad to write a small brief, she made it really, really brief. But friends, fellow Toastmasters, what she is and what she is capable, and what is her immense potential is not limited in these few words, but she is definitely going to be a promise for future, not only for Toastmasters, but also for business, for industry and society as a whole. A true leader in making. I really admire whatever she does. And Shahad, for all of your contribution, inspiration, and what you bring to the Toastmasters community, please accept this bouquet of flowers
Thank you.
from all of us. And I love that smile which you got in the picture. Now, Shahad, you have 30 seconds to explain what you feel to the audience today.
Hi, good evening and assalamu alaikum, everyone. I feel back as if I'm walking into NTI because I see Madam Toastmaster Sheikha in the audience today, and she was the first female Omani female I've seen in a club. And I always admired how strong she is, and I wanted to follow her footsteps. So I feel I'm back 9 years ago. I'm very grateful to this community. And I do believe that it created ripple of effects in terms of empowering each and every one of us, disregarding our gender. I think you've all seen that I've won a BizPro award for being the top professional in the year 2017 in the private sector in Oman, awarded by NTI Institute. And I really credit Toastmasters as one of the enablers in this. As DTM Garish said, how we communicate matters, because at the end of the assessment, I was asked to deliver a speech, which I did with the confidence since I've been a Toastmaster for around a decade more. So I would love to recreate something similar to NTI, an institute that is accessible to many segments in Oman that need care and attention. And I believe Toastmasters have set an example through establishing Arabic clubs, English club, female club, and Gavel club for youngsters. Thank you, everyone. That's all for me.
Thank you very much, Shahad. I will just remove your spotlight now. Now, whom do we have? We have Salima Al-Hamdani is there. Salima. Salima Al-Hamdani, can you just show your hand to me? Salima Al-Hamdani is here. Hello, Salima. Welcome. I'm just putting Salima Al-Hamdani into the spotlight, and Pratibha, can we share a little screen for her? Salima sent me a really, really lovely message today, and she studied at the Sohar Institute for Languages and Administration. She is working as a teaching assistant at Al Batina International School. She writes eloquent Arabic poetry and loves reading. Wow, mashallah, excellent. And she started her Toastmasters journey in July 2018. She was the first runner-up within 1 year in the table topics contest, which was held in DTAC 2019 in Arabic. She is serving as the Vice President Education in Shinas Toastmasters, and she's also a coach for Al Afia Toastmasters. She loves a lot of humanitarian work, and she's a member of, I think, 4 clubs actually. Shinas Toastmasters, Al Afia in Oman, Al Tamayuz in Kuwait, and Al Uruba online clubs. Excellent, excellent work, Salima. Thank you very much for joining us today, and thank you very much for all of your contribution to Toastmasters. On behalf of all of our members and NTAK Toastmasters, please accept this bouquet of flowers.
Thank you so much. Thank you to invite
Now,
me. Good evening.
we give you 30 seconds to speak, Salima.
Good evening, everyone. I'm happy to be here. Also, I'm proud to still in Toastmaster. I'm glad that I changed my mind since I delivered my second speech in Toastmaster, and I was crying because I passed the time. I want to tell you something, all the ladies, please follow your dream, because the life without dreaming is a life without meaning. Keep follow your dreams. Life's so short to give up. Don't give up and follow your dream. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Salima. Excellent.